Hello and welcome to the Expense Savvy Show. For many of you that don't know who I am, or maybe you've seen me on my other channel where we talk about commercial and business financing, well, welcome to Expense Savvy, where we talk about business performance, cost savings, and employee retention programs. So many years of commercial financing experience, as I was taking loan applications and talking to business owners, I realized one important thing, that many of these business owners were just focused on the revenue, increasing revenue. And they weren't looking at the low-hanging fruit to increase the bottom line. They weren't looking at cost savings programs. Our company, Expense Savvy, has channel partners that we've partnered with. And essentially what we do is we go in and we have a conversation and we figure out exactly what services that we offer might be a good fit for you, the business owner. And today I'm going to talk about expense reduction. Expense reduction is often overlooked, and we're too focused as business owners as driving revenue when we're not looking at what we're overpaying for. And as a business owner, it's very important that we look at what we're paying our vendors. And oftentimes we put it on auto pay and we forget that we're paying these vendors and how much we're paying them. And there's not much, if not, there's no transparency in vendor expenses that we're paying. We don't know what the business owner down the street is paying for the same vendor or same account that we're paying for. Like when I go buy a house, I can go on Zillow or Redfin and I can see what these houses have sold for. It's very difficult to do that with operational expenses. Our partner company has a technology. They have millions and millions of data points. So they know that your car dealership or your restaurant or your dental practice, they know based on employee count and so forth, what those averages should be on those vendor expenses that you should be paying based on your company size, location, etc. Our technology will print out a report essentially using a 12 months general ledger. So what we need is a 12-month general ledger from your accounting software. Our technology takes your general ledger and it figures out what you're overpaying for on your line item operational expenses. We come back with an analysis. Listen, business owner, we think we can save you X amount of dollars annually on these 10 line items. That's essentially what we do. We do a free analysis to see what you're overpaying for. And it's great for a business owner to look and say, okay, let me take a step back and see that I can potentially save up to 25% of my operational expenses. And we essentially handle that from A to Z. Once we do our analysis for you and you like what you see, we get to work. You don't change the vendors. What we do is we negotiate on your behalf to reduce those vendor agreements and get new agreements in place with the existing vendor. At the end of the day, our goal is to get you as much annual savings as we can across all of your operational expenses. We don't start and go after all 100 of your vendors. We strategically do it. We usually start with 3 to 5 of those vendors. And our services are free, meaning we don't charge you anything to do this. We're only paid on actual savings. So when you start saving money, we get a portion of savings. So we are really performance-based, and it's a great service for you, pretty much any business owner doing $500,000 to $200 million in revenue could be a potential good fit for this program, because there's not many businesses that I've seen that we haven't been able to show them significant savings. So I encourage you to click on the link below and let's set up a 10-minute call. Let's see if you want to move forward. All we need to really do our analysis is a 12-month general ledger from your accounting software. Allow us to do that. We'll meet with you again. We'll go over our findings. If there's significant savings potential, then perhaps you might want to sign up as a client of ours. And that's as simple as it gets. Any business, we don't have a particular business that is better than any other business. Really, there's savings across the board on waste, telecom, insurances. There's just hundreds of line items that we might be able to save money with for you. So anyway, I encourage you to book a call below. Let's talk about your business. We have many services, not just our expense reduction, to help your business perform better. I would love to get to know you better, get to know a little bit about your business, and then we can go from there and figure out what would make the most sense for you to get started. I encourage you to subscribe to this channel. I appreciate you listening and watching, whether you're on YouTube or Stitcher or iTunes, and have a great day, and I'll see you on the next episode.